Guys, in this video we're gonna unbox NZXT's, one of NZXT's latest cases. I'm talking about the, you can't even see what I'm pointing at. This is the H200, an I, and the I at the end means that this has built-in RGB and something called CAM, which is a software. I'm gonna explain everything in the full depth review coming out within the upcoming days, guys. But let's just say it's sophisticated. It's a sophisticated software that lets you control fan curves and lighting. Let's just leave it like that. And what makes this super exciting is the size, of course. This is a mini-ITX case, which makes it super small. You can actually have this sitting on your desk if you like. It measures in that, I have no idea, let's check. I have seriously no idea. Alright, so it's 349 in length, which makes it something. You know what, guys, let's just start with the unboxing, shall we? Alright. Testing 1, testing 2. Alright, welcome back to the ship's corner. Today we're gonna unbox the NZXT's 200i. Anyway, let's start, guys. We're looking at a mini-ITX case, of course. Let's see. Is everything in frame? Now let's hope I'm not ruining this video by blocking. I'm gonna do my best here, and I think I need to flip this around. This is how we operate here at Chips Media. It's a one-man show. This case comes in 4 different colors. We got black, and we got white and black, which means the case will be mostly white with black accessories. We got blue and black, and we got, yeah, this one over here, which is red and black. And if you haven't noticed yet, I'm into red. I'm all about red. Alright, here we go. Gotta take the foam off. This seems to be the lens. So let's just put it you want to stand. Here we go. You need to make it face the right way out of the case. Whoa, that is a nice looking case. Can you see that? Can you actually see that? Let's see if I can get it in frame. Let's just move it down a bit and see if I can just aim it up, something like that. Does that work for you? Let's see. The 200, the H200i. I keep forgetting the H. All right, let's see. So we got tempered glass, of course, red accessories, and a matte black finish here. All aluminum, of course, and a tempered glass side panel. Now let's see. What do we got? As I said, guys, we're looking at a mini-ITX case, 2 expansion slots, 1 20mm fan in the back, and there's another. Let's see if I can get the side panel off. But there's another 120mm fan in the top. We got pre-installed light strip in the roof. And what else? What do we got here? Yes, we got a front which can hold 2 120mm fans and a smaller, a thicker radiator. This is super awkward, guys. I'm standing in a super awkward position here. Let's see. We got the side panel off, which is tempered glass, super thick, gotta say, not dimmed down as you see in some cases. And everything is pre-installed already, so it's pretty much just plug and play at this point. Everything has been taken care of. The CAM software, we're gonna talk a lot about that in the full review, of course. Not gonna be able to try that out as of right now, but as you can see, guys, it's super small, of course, and this is gonna be the upcoming Xbox killer PC that I was talking about in recent videos. I am, as you can hear, super psyched, and I think this is gonna be a pretty awesome build, to be honest. Let's open the back as well. We got a dust filter here in the front as well. Hold on 1 second, guys. I need to check the specifications. Yes, you can actually mount two 140mm fans in the front. And we got clearance for graphics cards up to 325mm in length, which include most of the the higher end graphics cards out there. Obviously more on that in the full review. In the back, let's see if I can take this side panel off super quick. And here we go. This is part of the cam software. This controls up to 3 fans. This is the Grid Plus and Hue Plus in the same box, and we can control up to 3 fans, which is nice. We got cable routing here, which is a nice feature. I like that a lot. We got 2 slots here for SSDs. You got another spot in the front as well, right? Yeah, you got another spot over here. So in total, we're looking at plenty of expandability. As you can see, guys, most of this is already pre-installed, so the build is gonna be, the assembly I should say, should be pretty simple. As I said, I'm super psyched for this, and I cannot wait to show you guys the full review with the LED strip in place and all the fans working in the cam software. But guys, that's gotta cut it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have an awesome day. Alright, bye.